favorite business-minded hamsters doing today? Hello! I'm sure you've all noticed how fast AI is developing lately. It's making huge leaps forward. Some people are excited about it, others feel uneasy, especially when they hear talk about new technology replacing jobs. But here on this channel, we don't waste time worrying. We look for new paths and modern solutions. So today, let's explore how we can adapt and earn in a world where technology keeps changing. I've got a video that highlights new kinds of work and income opportunities that might surprise you. Let's take a look and see what the future could hold.
Every human that makes under $20 an hour that's watching right now needs to hear me. I see a business in the future where people get paid to walk with other people. Create a Facebook account and then run $10 of ads. $10 on a video saying, yo, I live in Topeka, Kansas, and I live on this area, and I'll walk with anybody. I'll walk with you and talk and communicate and chop it up with anybody in this 10-mile radius and run ads, $10 in Facebook ads on that 10-mile radius. I think they build a straight up business.
Whoa, that really was unusual, and exactly the kind of thing I love. At first, it might seem funny, but trust me, there's real logic behind it. More and more people today spend most of their time with laptops instead of with other humans. I've even heard of AI replacing therapists for some and becoming friends for others. In a world like that, a lot of people will naturally start pouring attention and money into AI and similar technologies. But we're used to thinking a few steps ahead here, right? So let's ask ourselves, what happens when people go almost fully into interacting with machines? Sooner or later, they're going to start craving real human connection again. And in that scenario, this business idea suddenly doesn't seem silly at all. Think wider, friends. Look for new angles, and maybe you will be the one who becomes a pioneer, or even the creator of a whole new earning category. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next episode, and remember, hamsters are power, one for all and all for one.